Hi, I'm Erin Joyce, the District Consultant for the Oil Creek Library District, which covers the public libraries in Clarion, Jefferson, and Venango counties. I'm here today to walk you through how you can add a partner library card in the OverDrive app. I do apologize in advance because I had to record the video on my phone, so the sides are going to be really skinny, but you'll be able to see how it looks on your actual device.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you're adding a partner library card is go to the top left with the 3 lines, tap that, and go to Manage Libraries. Then you want to click the plus button and add the district libraries. So I'm going to start with Seneca District Libraries. I usually choose Warren Library Association just because that's their head library, but when you click the library, you'll see that it says Seneca District Libraries on it. Just fill in that little star by tapping it, and then you can log into that. Click the little 3 buttons over here with the blue dot and go to sign in. When you sign in, all of Seneca District's libraries will be first. So you want to just keep scrolling until you find your library. Sign in, and you are good to go. You can also scroll down to the bottom of the site and see the libraries here. You can add your cards that way, but I do prefer going by the Manage Libraries because then you have the shortcut to the library saved here when you click that star. I hope this helps you add those library cards, and happy reading.